Welcome to our channel. Today, let's continue exploring the breathtaking, dangerous, yet fascinating moments of nature and life around us. Don't forget to like and share your thoughts in the comments. A landslide near Hanogi Road in Kulu sent rock and soil down the mountainside, reminding drivers to use caution on steep terrain. Strong coastal winds in the Azores lifted tents into the air at a marina before they fell, showing how fast conditions can change near the ocean.
Oh my god, bro! Holy!
Another small plane made an emergency landing on a busy street in Orlando, Florida, creating a stressful but controlled situation. Powerful jet blast at St. Martin Airport sent apples flying everywhere, creating a funny and surprising moment for onlookers. A snowstorm sweeping across Pennsylvania reduced visibility quickly and brought strong winds, reminding everyone to be cautious in winter conditions.
Whoa!
A mudslide from Storm Helene swept across a highway in North Carolina, urging drivers to proceed carefully in unstable conditions.
Whoa!
Another mudslide from Helene rushed across the roadway, creating hazardous scenes and reminding everyone to use caution in severe weather. A powerful wave surged over a seawall in California, showing the force of coastal conditions and reminding visitors to keep a safe distance.
Oh my god!
Heavy rain caused flooding that forced multiple road closures in Northern California, urging drivers to slow down and stay safe in deep water. Rising water surrounded Sokol Creek in Capitola, creating concerning conditions and reminding people to be careful in flooded areas.
That is insane! Oh my gosh, it's going into the river!
An earthquake triggered rockfalls along the Sawtooth Range, sending dust into the air and reminding hikers to stay aware in rugged terrain.
We just were up there today. Dude, we hiked out through that. We would not have survived that. We would not have survived that. We would have been...
A car slid into a pond due to driver fatigue, underscoring the importance of resting fully before driving. A home security camera captured lightning striking a tree stump, sending pieces flying, but thankfully, no one was hurt. Floodwaters rushed through Ruidoso after a wildfire, covering roads and homes, and reminding everyone of the risks following burn scars. Rising water swept an RV away near Freeze, Virginia, showing how quickly flooding can overpower even large vehicles.
Oh!
A train struck a trailer stuck on the tracks in Texas, underscoring the importance of staying alert at railroad crossings. surprising moment in rural life served as a reminder to stay aware and prioritize safety during daily activities. A fallen power line caught fire in Texas, emphasizing the importance of avoiding areas with electrical hazards. A rugged mountain road revealed its challenging terrain, encouraging travelers to drive with caution. A gas stove issue caused concern, reminding everyone to choose reliable equipment and check it regularly for safety. A glass bottle falling from an overpass shattered a car window, reminding drivers to stay calm when unexpected situations occur. Heavy rain and strong winds shattered a car window in Istanbul, highlighting the importance of caution during rapidly changing weather. Impressive water stunts looked exciting, but are meant only for experienced individuals. Safety should always come first. A calm moment swimming near a gentle shark in the Maldives created a unique and joyful experience for travelers. A vivid purple-pink sunrise over Lake Superior created a peaceful and stunning view of nature. A cat riding with its owner on a bicycle in London brought a heartwarming and gentle moment to viewers. A rare two-headed snake in Florida amazed viewers with its unique movements, showing the fascinating wonders of nature. A bear approached a parked car and tried to open the door, reminding residents to store food securely and stay alert in bear-prone areas. A small bird calmly perched on an alligator's back created a rare and fascinating natural moment. A playful seal jumped into the water, creating an adorable moment that brought smiles to everyone who watched. A playful rabbit hopped around its enclosure in Germany, creating a joyful scene and showing how social environments help animals thrive. Lightning struck a boat offshore, reminding boaters to use caution when storms approach. A roof blown loose and caught on power lines created sparks, highlighting the risks of severe wind damage.
Oh my gosh! We are out of power.
A steep incline in South Korea caused tension for anyone walking or driving through, reminding everyone to control their speed for safety. Strong winds swept through an area, shaking everything around and reminding people to maintain a safe distance. Continuous rain triggered a landslide that collapsed a home within seconds, showing the powerful impact of unstable ground. A A strong wind event swept debris through Cape Coral, reminding people to stay cautious during severe weather. Floodwater and mud from a burn scar moved across a highway, forcing vehicles to stop while crews cleared the path. A strong earthquake shook a train station, surprising everyone inside as the ground vibrated intensely. A large landslide dropped debris across a popular trail area, briefly halting visitors' journeys.
Oh my gosh. Wow, you totally jinxed this. You did not want that to happen.
Whoops.
The store shook during a strong earthquake, creating a tense moment for customers who quickly moved to safer spots.
It's going.
A vehicle lost balance and fell into a sinkhole, reminding everyone to stay alert when heavy rain weakens road surfaces. A massive dust column spun through an industrial parking lot, creating an intense scene as strong winds lifted debris into the air. A powerful lightning strike hit near a home, sending dirt flying and leaving a small crater at the base of a tree. Large waves repeatedly approached homes along the Long Beach shoreline, prompting crews to reinforce the area with sand for added protection. Lightning struck multiple towers across Chicago, creating bright flashes along the skyline and highlighting the strength of the storm. A dense cluster of blue jellyfish along the coast created a striking scene and reminded swimmers to keep a safe distance. A bright rainbow appeared briefly over Utah, creating a rare and beautiful moment before fading minutes later. A humpback whale breaching near the shoreline created an inspiring and rare sight, reminding visitors to enjoy nature respectfully. Boiling water froze instantly when tossed into the air in Minnesota, showing just how extreme the winter cold had become. A lion's mane jellyfish drifted through the bay, creating a captivating scene and reminding people to keep their distance from stinging species. Fog rolled through Yosemite Valley after snowfall, creating a magical scene blended with vibrant autumn colors. Firefighters in San Diego slowed a vegetation fire with several drops of retardant, and no evacuation orders were issued. Strong winds swept across the northern coast of France, creating dangerous beach conditions and leading to injuries in the area. Heavy wind and rain knocked down trees along the Florida coastline as Tropical Storm Debbie approached, creating intense scenes on Anna Maria Island. Powerful runoff swept through the streets of Dijon after a severe hailstorm, creating chaotic scenes for local residents and vineyards. A large sinkhole opened suddenly on a golf course in Utah, pulling turf and soil inward, and surprising everyone nearby.
We're on fall.
A strong lightning strike traveled down a tree, sending wood fragments upward in a powerful moment recorded near a neighbor's home. Strong winds pushed dust and debris toward a vehicle, reminding everyone to stay alert and maintain distance in severe weather. A fallen tree blocked the roadway, turning a drive into a stressful moment and reminding people to stay aware in unstable conditions.
Car, I'm turning around. Is that not Lisa?
A sudden change in wind direction revealed a funnel cloud behind a vehicle, reminding people of how quickly storms can shift.
No. Oh my God. We did it. We did it. Babe, stop.
Floodwater spinning across the roadway showed how quickly heavy rain can overwhelm drainage systems.
2021, center of Springdale.
A swirling fire vortex moved across a farm, showing how wildfires can intensify rapidly and reminding everyone to stay at a safe distance. Rising river levels pushed barges into each other, creating tension along the waterway and showing the challenges of flooding. Rescue teams gently guided a young whale to a safer area, creating a hopeful moment of cooperation along the river.
So we've been told there's another one spring.
Descending beside an unexpected waterfall required calm coordination, showing how experience and teamwork help maintain safety.
Yeah, watch out, all that areas.
A large sinkhole forced the closure of SR-92 in Half Moon Bay, showing how shifting ground can disrupt transportation and require careful repairs. Four humpback whales circling a small boat created a peaceful and unforgettable scene off the coast of West Cork. A dust devil swept across a yard in Rancho Cucamonga, lifting tents and chairs and reminding everyone how quickly wind events can form.
My God, that's a tornado!
A vivid 3D display made a washing machine look like it was cleaning the entire building, creating a fun and imaginative visual effect. A swarm of slaters covered the desert floor after rare moisture, creating a striking and unusual scene. A bright green aurora glowing over Glacier Bay created a breathtaking and rare northern sky display. A firefighter waded into an icy pond to push a dog named Watson back onto the frozen surface, ending a dangerous moment after the dog fell in while chasing geese. Smoke and flames rose from a wildfire in Washington, reminding everyone how quickly dry conditions can escalate into dangerous fire behavior.
He can hear the pulse of the storm. So let's hear what his thoughts are.
A bright bolt of lightning lit up the sky in Mississippi, creating a dramatic moment and reminding people to observe storms from a safe distance. An unattended vehicle rolled into the Daugava River in Riga, underscoring the importance of always securing the parking brake. Strong winds swept through Moundville, Alabama, sending debris flying and knocking down trees, even though no injuries were reported.
Oh my what?
Heavy rain flooded part of a stadium in Manchester, turning walkways into small streams and reminding people how quickly downpours can arrive. An EF1 tornado moved through Star Valley, Arizona, scattering debris and damaging homes, though fortunately, no one was hurt. Crews in Placer County cleared Old Forest Hill Road after a rock slide showing the work required to restore safe travel after unstable weather. Flooding in Cavendish, Vermont washed out roads and neighborhoods, reminding everyone how rising water can reshape communities.
Oh, it is up to the...
Not the far one with all their stuff in it though.
A severe flood warning in Anglesey highlighted how quickly rising water can threaten an area, emphasizing the need to follow official updates. Strong storm waves damaged piers along the Maine coastline, reminding everyone how quickly coastal weather can shift.
One of many docks destroyed this morning.
A rockfall spilled into a parking area in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, showing how unstable slopes can change without warning. Footage from Jenin showed smoke rising after multiple explosions, reminding communities to stay aware and follow safety guidance in tense situations.
Now on red lightning alert.
A waterspout formed offshore near Dampier in Western Australia, creating an impressive scene and showing how storms can produce brief ocean vortices. A supermarket roof collapsed during a strong storm in the UK, showing how severe weather can affect structures and emphasizing the need for caution. On Rabbit Island in Japan, friendly rabbits gathered excitedly for carrots, creating a warm and charming moment between people and wildlife. Two wild hares boxed in a Norfolk field, creating a lively and entertaining moment in the countryside.
The girls are out. The girls are out.
A swarm of honeybees loosened inside a truck, creating a tense situation and reminding transporters to secure bees properly.
Oh, life's dangerous. I've got to get off this damn traffic's got me off.
When nature surges with force, nothing can stand in its way. This car was just one example of how quickly floodwater can rise. A snake unexpectedly appearing in a bathroom created a startling moment and reminded homeowners to stay calm when encountering wildlife indoors. A herd of bison crossed the road with their calves, reminding visitors to keep a respectful distance from wildlife. A low-flying aircraft at an air show in Argentina was forced to land after striking an antenna, creating an unexpected challenge for the pilot. An aircraft at Sheremetyevo Airport in Russia made an emergency landing after being struck by lightning, demonstrating the importance of weather awareness. An emergency landing at a golf course in Sacramento created a tense moment, but showed the value of calm responses in unexpected situations. A wildlife strike caused a United flight to return safely to Denver, showing how calm procedures help manage unexpected events. Blue flashes appeared as powerful winds moved through northern Dallas, reminding everyone to avoid areas with electrical issues. Heavy rain and strong winds swept across Florida's Space Coast, creating intense scenes and urging people to be cautious during storm advisories. A palm tree was struck by lightning during a storm in Los Angeles, highlighting the importance of staying away from fire-prone areas during severe weather. Powerful floodwaters rushed through the streets, reminding everyone to stay cautious when heavy rain persists.
Oh my God, you guys!
A car swept away by rising water in Arizona showed the force of fast-moving floods and reminded people to avoid driving into deep water. Strong floodwaters surged near a local dam, showing intense conditions and reminding communities to stay cautious during prolonged rainfall. High water levels in a village prompted rescue teams to assist residents in moving to safer areas during extended heavy rain.
Dude, Gesellschaft, holy
Large rocks suddenly fell along a mountainside in Chamonix, reminding climbers to stay alert when terrain becomes unstable. A truck skidding across lanes during a Kansas City snowstorm showed how quickly winter roads can become dangerous.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we need to call
Lightning struck a tree during a storm, showing a strong flash and reminding people to keep a safe distance during thunderstorms.
Oh my God.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, dude.
A tornado-like wind event lifted a barn and silo in Illinois, reminding
shredded
everyone to
up,
take
dragged
extreme weather warnings seriously.
Destroyed it.
Oh, rolling.
Powerful natural forces created an intense scene, reminding viewers to stay cautious during extreme weather. Sparks flew and a tree touched a power line, reminding everyone to avoid areas with electrical hazards. Coin-sized hail-covered roads in New Mexico, reminding drivers to slow down and use caution in severe weather. A massive dust wall formed across Kansas fields, reducing visibility and reminding people to be cautious during strong winds. A storm chaser recorded himself speeding away from a large dust cloud, sweeping across a Texas field, showing the impressive force of shifting winds. Heavy rain and hail poured down over Saint-Bosé in France, creating fast-moving runoff and strong winds across the area. Thunderstorm clouds rolled in with bright flashes of lightning, creating an impressive view, and urging everyone to observe from a safe place. Powerful waves and rising water created hazards along the coast, reminding visitors to keep their distance from storm-driven surf. Hail swept through a neighborhood with strong force, scattering leaves and reminding everyone how quickly weather can change. A large sinkhole highlighted the power of shifting ground, reminding communities near long-used industrial sites to maintain safety barriers. Lowering a vessel into the water helped create a new marine habitat, supporting a healthier and more resilient coastal ecosystem. A sudden burst of strong wind flipped a caravan and sent debris flying, reminding everyone that rare weather bursts can disrupt entire neighborhoods. Heavy rain and flashes of lightning swept across a bay, showing how quickly storms can form and the importance of seeking shelter. A narrow column of swirling wind rose over Patson, lifting dust high into the air and creating a striking visual in the sky. Recent monsoon rains sent powerful water rushing over Grand Falls in Arizona, creating a dramatic and beautiful natural display. A bright green meteor streaked across the sky in the Dominican Republic, creating a beautiful and rare moment. Strong winds and heavy rains swept across Honolulu, reducing visibility and showing how quickly island weather can shift. Large waves driven by Fiona formed offshore near Newfoundland and Labrador, reminding travelers to stay careful in dangerous marine weather. A small aircraft made an emergency landing on Highway 91 in Corona, California, creating a tense moment but resulting in everyone being safe. With winds this strong, it's tempting to step outside just to feel it, but staying indoors is always the safer choice. Heavy rain triggered a landslide in Pingtung, highlighting the need for caution during extreme weather. Ice-clogged water from the Great Lakes pushed into nearby areas after heavy rain, reminding residents to stay away from icy streams. An aircraft dropped fire retardant over a wildfire zone, highlighting the importance of safety when wildfires spread.